So guys, here is here one more LeetCode video having came on the channel, and in today's video we are tackling our 517 question by the name of super washing machines. Okay, this is our question, and in today's question we are covering also some topics, and this is a hard one question which we are solving in today's video. In today's video we are covering some topics on array and greedy. Okay, and in today's video we are solving a 517 question by the name of super washing machines. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you know these type of videos on this Rayyan channel. And one more thing I want to tell you that we are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. But anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's try to solve our 517 question by the name of super washing machines. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. Guys, let's start to solve a 517 question by the name of super washing machine. So now let's start to solve it. First of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we'll be start to solve it in the LeetCode camp. So let's start. Now, it has been given you one n super washing machines on a line. Initially, each washing machine has some dressers or empty, and for each move you could choose any m 1 less than equals to m less than equals to n. It is a washing machine and pass one dress of each washing machine to one of its adjacent washing machines at the same time. And now, what is our task in today's video? It has been given you one integer array by the name of machines representing the number of dresses in each washing machine, and means in each washing machine from left to right on the line. We want to return the minimum number of moves to make all the washing machines have the same number of dresses. If it is not possible to do it, we want return -1. If it is not possible to do it, if someone is do not doing that, so we want to return -1. Okay, that's it. So if you see this example one here, get a one integer array in which he wrote down by the name of machines, in which he wrote down 105, and the output is coming 3, because if you see the first move there is 1. In the first move there is 1. So here he writes 0 less than -5 equals to greater than 114. Then if you see the second move, here he wrote 1, then less than -1 less than -4 equals to greater than 213. Then the second number is 2. Here he wrote in down -1 less than -3. Then equals to greater than 222. What is here wrote in 3? If I show you, here he wrote in down 3. So that's why the here output I am coming 3. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now let's see the case 2. There are totally 3 cases. Now if you see the 3 case, number 2 case, here you get an integer array by the name of machines, in which he wrote it down 0, 3 and 0, and the output I am coming 2. Why? Because the first move you see 0 less than -3, 0 equals to greater than 120. Then if you see the second one, here he wrote in now 1, 2 minus greater than 0, then minus greater than 1, 1, 1. Now you are thinking why the here output I am coming 2, because here he wrote it down 2. That's why. Okay. Now let's see the case 3. We see the case 3. This third case is totally different from case 1 and case 2. If you see, here you can see it. If I show you, here you can see it is totally different from case 1 and case 2. Case 3 is. So let's understand the case 3. Now here you get one integer array by the name of machines, in which he wrote it down 0 to 0 and the output has been coming -1, because it's impossible to make all the 3 washing machines have the same number of dresses. So that's why the output has been coming -1. Simple. Okay. So you can see it, and these are the constraints which you use to solve this question. Now I hope you understand the question. What is the question is trying to say is, and we now let me explain your task. What is our task? We want to return the minimum number of moves to make all the washing machines have the same number of dresses. If it is not possible to do it, we want to return the -1. In the last git there is doing like here we return -1 because it's not possible to make all 3 washing machines have the same number of dresses. So that's why. So you can do it simple. Okay, so now let's try to solve this question. So this is a hard one question. So now the question is all about array and greedy, and total 80,000 people had submitted, only 33 people and accepted, and acceptance rate is 42.3%. Now let's start to solve this question, and we are solving this question in the Python 3 because like all the people know from the starting we are solving I am solving my all the question in the Python 3. So first of all here I define a class of a solution because there is a rule of a LeetCode can. Whenever you start solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution. If you do not define it, so otherwise it will be give you an error. Def find main moves, define self machines list int, and then minus greater than int. You are thinking why I am writing int in the list, because int is our one integer array, so that's why. AB comma rem div mod some machines comma. Now here now here I found the length of what machines integer array. Here we write enter if rem return -1. Perfect. Now here we define machines equals to m ab for m in machines hashtag 1 sorry 2 I mean. Enter. Now here we run max. One more time write in max. So define in the rounded bracket machines, where machines have a one integer array. Give the space here, max map abs accumulate machines. Perfect. Now when I do this, so I think here we defined some wrong. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. There is only 4. Okay, copy this remove this last one and add it here. Perfect. And when you do this all the thing, give the space here, define here 3 dot, and then when you do this, so now perfect, define here also 4. Perfect. Now when I do this all the things, so I hope it not give me any error. Now let's see the running code. So now when I run this code, now it is taking a running, so now it has been accepted. In our case, when the expected output is 3 and my also output is having 3, the case to the expected output is 2 and my also output having 2. Number 3, the expected output is -1 and my also output having coming -1. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this, so it is taking a little bit time, so it has been accepted, and we solve in the 85% people we beat, and we solve in the 3 milliseconds. So I am pasting easy solution in Python 3 beats 85%. Okay, 85% for explanation and this thing visit Rayyan post. So here in today's video we solve a 517 question by the super washing machines. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never see these type of videos on this channel. And we are solving our 200 questions. There is only 6 questions are left. 6 to 6, 93, 94, 95, 99, 98, 99. Okay, there is only 8 questions are left for 200. Okay, 98, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, there's only 8 questions are left to solve our all the we solve 200 questions. Okay, there is only 8 questions left, so it will be completed. But here you can see there's my profile of Rayyan. So if you want to visit my profile, so go and view my profile. So now you can see it. So let's meet you in the next class, in next very amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.